Good day, this is Jerickson Bondok from 3CR-A1-11. Today I'm going to present to you glass fracture. Glass fracture, after striking force of glass, first bend in the direction of applied force due to elasticity. As the stress on the glass continues, concentric fracture form on the front surface where penetrating or striking force applied of the glass. Types of glass: a projectile, a bullet, or a rock hits a glass, it will form two distinct types of fracture, radial and concentric. There is another terminology that is known as a cone fracture, observed to be caused by a penetration of the high velocity projectile such as bullet. Radial crack or fracture extending outward from the point of the impact. Concentric crack are fractured forming an approximately circular pattern around the point of impact. High velocity impact fracture. A high-speed projectile striking a piece of glass will produce a cone or a crater. Low velocity impact fracture. A projectile produces crack in the glass which radiate outward from the point of impact. A direction and sequence of force determination. Determination of force direction is a process easily done by a crime scene technician. The purpose of this determination is to establish which direction the projectile went through the glass. The method used to establish this is the 4R rule. Ridge line on radial fracture are at the right angle to the rear. The sequence of the force determination. An examiner can establish the sequence of the shot by considering the radial fracture termination point. The first shot radial fracture will extend completely, while the subsequent shot radial fracture will be stopped or cut off as they come into contact with prior fractures. Collecting and handling glass fragment. Broken or shattered glass found at the crime scene is an important piece of forensic evidence. The different type of glass that are often found, such as glass from a window, lamp, headlight, or a bottle, each have unique properties that can be measured and compared. The way of handling glass fragment. Place a small glass fragment in a paper bindles, then in a coin envelope, pillbox, or film can, which can be marked and completely sealed. Place a large glass fragment in a box so that it can be sealed. Please separate individual pieces with cotton or tissue to prevent breakage and damaged edges during shipment. All glass found at a hit and run scene should be recovered. The search should not be limited to the point of impact, since the high headlight glass may be dropped off some distance away as the car leaves the crime scene. Glass from the different location should be kept in a different container. All glass should be collected because more than one type may be prevent an individual. In addition, if just few representative samples are saved, individual pieces that could be physically matched with glass remaining in the headlight shell of the suspected vehicle may be overlooked. Glass analysis. Forensic analysis of glass consists of the examination of two or more fragments to determine whether they have a common origin. Identifying a broken glass fragment having a common source to the exclusion of all other sources may only be done if they can be physically matched together. Glass analysis includes determining the type of glass based on the glass fragment. Basic properties such as color, thickness, and curvature can also help to identify different samples of glass just by looking at them. Optical properties such as refractive index are defined various manufacturing methods. That's all. Thank you.